Hey, welcome to the show. I'm setting up a gaming room slash online office, and I needed something for my chair to roll on, so I ordered the GLSLAND tempered glass. And I'll tell you, at first I was a little nervous because this is glass and it's a little bit more spendier than the cheap chair mats that you buy. But after getting it and after using it, I am so happy. Yeah, it's totally worth the investment. I did get the, I believe it's the 46 by 55 inch version, which I am glad because I wanted something nice and big for my chair to roll on. And you can see right here that the edges are tempered and nice and smooth, so if you do hit your feet on there, it's not going to hurt them. And I have it going over 2 pieces of carpet, doesn't affect it at all. And I have this chair right here. The rollers on this chair are really bad, so I'm going to get a different chair, but they do move around really nice and smooth. And it's really solid, really nice. I don't have anything. They do give you some things to stick on the bottom of it so it doesn't move around, but I've had no issue with it moving around on this rug. And it's really heavy. So I do suggest when you buy this and it comes in the mail, it's going to be really super well protected. It would actually take you about 15 minutes to unwrap, but I recommend 2 people carrying this because it is glass. It's a little heavy. Yes, it is very heavy. But I really like it. You can definitely see, my carpet underneath it. Just a nice addition to the gaming room. So, yeah, I'm liking it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Hit that likey button, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.